Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raj. Today I just installed a new battery on my 2017 Honda CRV. Changing the battery is not that hard, but before you do, you have to be aware of certain things. Usually when you take to the dealership, what they do, they connect a device called memory saver to keep all the memories saved, so nothing will be lost during the battery changeover. If you don't do the same thing, you will lose a lot of things, and then after you change the battery, you will see lots of warning lights pops up and saying you have a problem here and there. Even your radio wouldn't work. So today I'm going to show you how I did it without losing anything and without spending too much money. First, I was looking to buy that memory saver. I couldn't find anywhere in the local store, but I found it at Amazon. It was about $30 plus tax. Not only that, I need to buy extra power bank to give a power to that device. So altogether it was going to cost about $150, so I'm not going to spend that much money. So what I did, I found this at Canadian Tire. This is also a memory saver, but it's a cheap one. It's $13. Come with a 9 voltage battery. I'll show you how I used it, but this saved a bit. I didn't lose my radio settings or my settings. All the memories were there. Only thing, the warnings lights came out, but I will show you how to fix that. What you have to do after you replace your battery, you will see all those warning lights comes out and saying you have lots of problem, this doesn't work, that doesn't work. Don't get panic. What you have to do, take the car to the road and make sure before you do that, the road is empty, nobody's behind, just for the safety reason. So start the car and drive up to like 19 kilometer per hour speed, and then when you reach 19 kilometer or 12 miles, just stop the vehicle, put in parking, and then turn off the engine. Wait about 3 seconds, turn on the engine, and you will see the magic. All the lights will be disappeared and you're good to go. This is the memory saver that I bought it at Canadian Tire. So let me show you how I changed the battery using this. Connect this 9 voltage battery to this memory saver, and then connect the memory saver to the cigarette charger, and then leave this on and we will go replace the battery. First we have to remove this wire connection on the top. If you pull it, that will come out. And then I'm going to be removing these brackets which is holding the battery. Okay, now I'm going to put this on the side. Next step, I'm going to take the negative out and then the positive. Make sure your tool doesn't hit any metal or anything, because we are giving an external power, so you don't want to get any electric shocks. So make sure don't let your tools touch any metals or anything in the vehicle. Just to be in a safe side, I'm just going to be covering this with the gloves and put it away so it doesn't touch any metals. This battery is very heavy, and also they have so many wires going around and on the top, so make sure you don't damage any wires when you do this. Alright, the battery is out. Now this is a time to check if there are any dirt or anything on the case. If you find any, just clean it up. Okay, now I'm going to put the new battery in. Make sure the battery fits perfectly on the bracket. Okay, now I'm going to connect the positive and then the negative. Alright, now I'm going to put the bracket back. Okay, all done. And now we're gonna go inside and remove that memory saver. Okay, now I'm gonna start the vehicle. I'm gonna show you this, but at the same time I'm gonna fast forward this section because it's gonna be too long. So you can see all the lights comes out, and you can see I'm not entering any radio codes. My radio works. Now I see all my presets are here, so I didn't lose anything. Only thing, like I told you, the warning signs are here. Now I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Like I told you, I'm gonna be driving about 19 km/h. and stop the vehicle, wait 3 seconds, and I'm gonna start the car, and that's it.